Hi everyone. In this lesson, we're going to do Halloween bookmark. So I need to show you this section. This one, two, three. This is the bottom of the bookmark. Okay. Especially for secondary class, you have to create yourself. Okay. How to do this? It's actually very simple. If you look at it, it's circle plus another square. So you look at this, let me just bring this out. This is a cylinder. So you can bring this down to 2 mm. Actually to create, let us press F for focus. To create at the bottom of the bookmark, it is good to have a height of about 1.6, 1.7 so that you can put it inside in your book. Okay. If it's too thick, it's still possible to put in, but it's not so easy to use. Okay, this one maybe too wide. 28 will be good. Then this one also make sure it's around 28. Okay, so just put 28. Then both align together. Then you lower down this to 2 mm. Okay. Okay. Just make sure bring it down a little bit. Now it's perfect. Look at the side, it's perfect. Then you can select merge. This one merge. Okay, so it become one whole piece. Okay, now we need to cut this part. You need to cut this part out. Like this one. We need to cut it out. Okay, how to cut this? Not too difficult. Okay, click here. Control D, duplicate. When I duplicate, I hold down the Shift key and reduce the size. Then I duplicate again, and this time again I will reduce the size a bit. Okay, after I reduce the size, I make it hollow, increase the height. Once I put together, I align first, need to be in the center. After that, you can merge so that we can cut. But again, I need to cut the back or so. So just come to here. Okay, like this will do. Okay, just make a cut. Okay. Now this section, I want it to become hollow and make it high. Now you put it to here. Okay, focus. Press F to focus. Now select alignment, center. Okay, if this is okay, if not, you can move down a bit. Okay, then you select both and merge. Okay, now this section is done. What I need you to do is let's look at okay, all these objects here. Okay, you can choose one object. Let me show you maybe one or two samples. I like this very much, so maybe I move this out. Just I want to create this one. So what I do is I can adjust here, I can adjust here. Okay, doesn't matter which one you prefer. Here you adjust. If you put this as about 1.6, just make sure this one is bigger than it. So this one probably you have to make it about 4, because why? This one will be one color, then this object one more color, and the tongue I will give you another color. So you can use this to create, but don't forget, I always like you to put some text. Whether you want to put something represent yourself, okay, just put in the text, any text that you want. Okay, adjust the size. Okay, just make sure it's dropped to the floor. Press D, drop to the floor. And this text, if you want it to be in different color, then you have to put it slightly higher. Since this is 4, you can put it 5, and then you can put it any words you like. Maybe this is a maybe you put my name. Okay, so this is my name, just to represent my name. If you want it to be in the center, you just select this alignment center, so that it will go to the center. Good. Okay, this is one. So you can use other type in here. So for those who have done similar before, you can use a more challenging one. Whether you use this at the bottom or you want to use this at the bottom, you can choose this object to create the head. Okay, I just show you an example here. And don't forget, this is a 3D design. So a lot of things can be placed outside. You can see, as long as this is higher than this, and then you just want to turn. It can be like this also. You can put a spider here. You can put all relevant designs before you just select and export. So for example, this is my design. I want to export this out for printing. I select all these. Okay, then I select export only the selected three shapes, then choose STL, and then it will follow the name. Okay, as usual, if you can put something that represent maybe your name in front, it will be great. Okay, so this is what we will be doing in during the lesson 3. Okay, so try to think of try to be creative. What I mean is try to create your own. This is just a sample. You can use anything you can find in here to create your own bookmark. Okay, that's all. Thank you.